Have you ever said, I've been studying English since 3 years, or maybe I've lived here for 2020? Well, this is your mistake. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will never ever make this mistake again. Should we start? Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Rajan, where I make English learning easy. So in this video, I'm going to teach you when to use since and when to use for. So let's start off with since. Think of it like the starting point. For example, I have been studying English since 2020. It means I started learning English at 2020. It is the starting point. I can give you the formula. Since January, since 2020, since 2010, since morning, since 8 o'clock. It basically says that the starting point. For, think of it like the duration, the time period. For example, I have been studying English for 5 years. It simply means it has been 5 years of me learning English. Okay, so for equal to duration, the time period, and since equal to starting point. Finally, if you enjoy this video, if you learned when to use since and when to use for, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends who always makes mistakes like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.